Hello friend, welcome back to Isaac Audio channel. As you see in my computer screen, I have some best application which I have written react.js. So as you see, it's a cool project that contains some people who shows you some activities. So my app is called Eat and Split App. As you see, my app is called Eat and Split App. So the first person here, as you see, is called Crack. You see this Crack, I always crack $7. This app shows that I always crack $7. Let's move to the second person. The second person is Sarah. Sarah owes me $20. As you see, Sarah, she owes me $20. Then this is the third person. The third person, as you see, even me, whether me or Anton, there's no one owes another. Me and Anthony, we are even. No one owes another. You see? So this application, it shows someone owes you from your friend, from your colleagues, from your coworker, from your families, even other. So you see, there is some button. This button is called add a friend. When I click, it will show me a form to add another one. Let me add example John, then click on add. Nice. Now I add someone, and I add a new person which is called John, and it shows me me and John, we are even, because I see I add here in this app. I add John in this app. Now there is no activity we did. Let me add another one. Let me add someone like, let me say Doe, and add. Now you see another one added to my application. So what happened here? This link that you see in my image URL is an API that generates some pictures. So I am adding someone, and then my API generates a picture for someone I add. So as you see, this is a cool project. So you can think that what this button here select did. So let me add someone like, let me say Peter, and then add. So now we are going to see the functionality of this select button, because this is a big project. My friend, if you are running React, because I know you click on this video because you see it's a React project. If you are running React, please, I recommend you to build this project because it's a cool project. So without saying more, let's see the functionality about this select. Let me click on select class. You will see split a bill with class. Now there is a form to fill. So you can use this application in some event. So when you are in a restaurant, when you go in the party, when you go in the restaurant, when you go to buy someone a gift, maybe in some events that will need to pay a bill. So now we select Karak. As you see, now we can close and select another one. But let me show you this functionality for this form here. Let me say our bill was $200. Now okay, let me say the bill was $2,000. Then my expense to this bill was $1,000. Then automatically it will calculate the correct expense. You see, if my expense was $1,000 and also a correct expense was $10,000, and then the total of the bill is $2,000. So now we are going to this field. We're going to select, is it me that pay a bill or crack? Let me say it's me. So now what you see changed. Now here the event changed. Crack owes you $99,300. So now crack owes me $99,300. So as you see, this is our best cool project. So let's go to someone. Let's go to Anthony. Let's select Anthony. Split a bill with Anthony. Now let's say we use a bill was $200 and my expense was $50. Who paid the bill? Maybe it was Anthony. Then add. Automatically you will see here the message that shows me you owe Anthony $50. I have to give Anthony $50 because we used the bill for $200. My expense was $50, and Anthony expense here you see it was $150. Who pays the bill was Anthony. Yes. Sorry, it calculated the second action. So you see, maybe let's move on to Sir. You see, automatically split the bill with Sir. Now let me say the bill was $100. Now you see, Sir owes me $20. Now you see, Crack owes me. This means that I have the debt of Crack, and here Sir you owe Sir. So sorry. Here Crack have a debt of me, which is $1,000 and $9300 debt to me, and here Sir I have the debt of Sir. Here also Anthony, I have the debt of Anthony. So let me select here John. Let me say we use the bill of $500. My expense was to $300. It's me paid the bill. You will see automatically John owes me $200. He have a debt of me because we spent $500 and I'm also paid the bill. So I show you this is the functionality of this app. Please let me know your reaction. Let me know how you take this project in the comment below, and if you need some source code for this project, I will give you. Don't worry, write in the comment below and I will see. As you see, this is our best. It's a very well project. Let me know how you take it in the comment below. Thank you for watching, my friend. Thank you. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I code, like and share to get more best project like this.